Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned on Wizz. First, open the Wizz app in your mobile device. As you can see, our account has been banned. Now go back to your home screen. Here, tap and hold the Wizz app. Then select Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, go to the App Store. Now search for VPN Proxy Master. Install this VPN in your device. After that, tap on the Open button. Now select Agree and Continue. Here, you need to select the country from the given list. Now tap on Allow to connect this VPN with your device. As you can see, the VPN has been connected. Now go to the Play Store and again reinstall the Wizz app on your device. Once it is done, tap to open it. You'll see that you have been unbanned on Wizz. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.